عندي خوش فصلة يا أخي تفوز والله خوش رقصة يا أخي دوس عندي خوش فصلة.
See, we all have grew up in a world where money was never stable, and specifically the Gen Z, they have seen it all. Okay, let me explain. Crypto being considered as the future of finance, startups laying people off overnight, stock markets swinging violently, and compared to other generations, financial certainty of Gen Z was never that stable. And on top of all of this, gold is at its all-time high. And everyone is attracted to gold. And those who got in before the bull run are making great profits. So basically, gold is the new hot topic. From a Gen Z's perspective, should we invest in gold? Is it safe? Is it stable enough? Or is it too stable? We'll understand all of this in this video. Bappi Lari, big fan sir, big fan.
दीदी मैं हूँ।
तो ये क्या किया है तूने, बैंक लूटा है?
दीदी गोल्ड प्राइस बढ़ रहा है तो इन्वेस्टमेंट्स।
डू यू थिंक ये सब सेफ है?
हाँ, मुझे क्या होगा, मैं उसके मुंह पे क्लोरोफॉर्म मारूंगा, चेन पकड़ के भाग जाना। अरे नहीं शुभ शुभ बोलो।
See, the short answer is yes. In our previous video on investment guide, we categorized gold as a safe investment cushion as compared to stock markets. Let us understand all of this with a small example. This is Bambani. He starts a company called Brilliance, and now it is the biggest company in the country. The company's profits are good and it's getting new buyers every day. The stock prices are making higher highs every single day. Everything is great, but suddenly one day news comes out that Bambani is arrested due to some illegal activities that he did in the past.
It's true, the founder has been arrested.
We have to issue a retract.
Let us see what happens next. First, the investors will pull out their money, and then the mass media will cover this news everywhere. This will be broadcasted, and the common people who have invested in the company will start pulling their money out, and there will be panic in the markets. The products of the company will be discarded, and as a result, there would be a crash in the stock market. The stock might be down by a huge percentage, or even the stock might get delisted. The reason why I'm saying this example is basically stock market is totally unpredictable. But this is not the case with gold. The gold prices will fluctuate, but they will never go down to zero. A company is run by people, it has dependencies on the market, the supply and the demand, but gold has its own intrinsic value. And if you look at the past, it has always survived wars, currency collapses, and even recessions. And it is still here. And honestly, it's getting more and more valuable. So yeah, gold is a safe option to invest. But there's always a but. So there are a lot of questions that remain, like when to invest, where to invest, and how long to invest. Okay, let's talk about it.
सॉरी दीदी, ये सब तो ठीक है, बट एक डाउट है, मुझे और इन्वेस्ट करना है, तो कब और कहाँ करूँ?
तो वो सब तो ठीक है. But before that, we have recently started our community, and the members will get exclusive access to all our behind the scenes and how we make our videos, how we do the scripting and everything with proper details.
दीदी इसका गिव अवे करें. मैं भी आऊँगा, सब मिलेंगे तुमको.
So let's first answer when and where to invest. Like, okay, the question is, when does even investing in gold make sense? See, there's a saying by Warren Buffett that you need to be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. So basically, when everyone is talking about gold and investing in it and there is a hype around it, you need to stay away from it. People may earn some money, but as soon as the hype dies, people who entered at the top are going to lose money. Okay, so think of this as riding a high tide that is very difficult. Okay, let me explain. So imagine how a surfer always starts when the water is stable, and as the waves come, the surfer rides them well. He cannot jump on the top of the wave and then get stable and plan to enjoy. This is very similar with an asset like gold. You can't jump on the top and think that it will keep on going and rising high. So investing in gold always makes sense when the hype has already dried up. See, gold nowadays is no longer limited to jewelry. There are multiple ways in which one can invest in gold. There are gold ETFs, digital gold, and even sovereign gold bonds. See, investing in gold nowadays is much more accessible than it was earlier. You don't need to worry about storing gold or about the purity or about reselling it. And the best way to start will be to get into a gold ETF. There are some gold ETFs that start as low as 10 to 12 rupees per unit. And you can invest in it, but a quick disclaimer. This is not an investment advice. Investment is subjected to market risk, so do your research carefully and consult a financial advisor before making any investment. लेकिन इसका तो कलर छूट रहा है।
तो बेच देंगे, उसमें क्या है।
तूने खरीदा कब था?
ये 2 दिन पहले।
तो तू गोल्ड शॉर्ट टर्म में ट्रेड कर रहा है?
हाँ, इंस्टाग्राम पे उमर भैया ने तो वही बोला है।
Okay, so the next question is how long to invest. See, as I've said earlier, gold is not a get-rich-quick asset, but it is safe over a longer period of time. If you look at the last 2 decades, gold has survived market crashes and has absorbed economical shocks. In 2020, the COVID crash came where indexes were down by 30 to 40%, but gold fell only about 10 to 15%. In 2008 crash, Nifty fell almost 60%, while gold was down by only 25%. Okay, one more example. In the dot-com bubble crash, the markets fell around 50%, while gold was down only by 15 to 20%. Now, if we check the returns for gold over a period of 20 years, gold has given an average return of around 12 to 15% every single year. See, the whole point is that gold will give a safe and stable return, but over a long period of time. The biggest mistake that Gen Z is making that they are completely ignoring gold or are making investments for a very short term. See, gold won't be the star of your portfolio, but it will definitely play a critical supporting role. And I don't understand one thing is that why people are investing after looking at Instagram influencers. Okay, so the next video we will be making on these Instagram influencers, so stay tuned for that. Oh shit. And Happy New Year.